So this is entering. You come in and there is a closet here. And then there's the living room with Tommy. Hi, baby. And don't cut out this little mudroom, sunroom thing out to the outside. Huge outside. And then this, our vacuum cleaner and a big closet. This built-in, which won't fit my big TV. And Jocelyn.
Hi.
And Tommy again. New stove, new microwave. Small kitchen, but very nice. And this is a dining room, or I guess guest room, whatever the hell we make it, because we don't really eat it on the table.
Everything.
Yeah.
Table room.
And then you come into my bathroom, the shower, and everything all nice and new. Thanks for drooling all over here. Oh no, I forgot to turn the light on. Okay, well, let's try that again. My room. Here we go. And the closet. Normal closet sized. Come on, Tommy. And into Jocelyn's room, which is the master. And we have big closet. Little closet. Bathroom with a tub. And Tommy. And our very own laundry room. Ooh, the most important part of the house. And there we go. That's our new place.